then now I get paid. So Irene, so where are you from?
I'm Filipino, from Philippines, and I belong to Kalinga tribe.
Irene 係菲律賓嘅原住民，從細到阿美嘅片接觸到編織，過後就拿起架 weave 進去咧。大部分嘅人鄉下家庭團圓係坐下來食一餐飯，不過對佢來講，就係大家搬到天涯下鄉下來編織，故所本愛能加入幾個 big family 吧。
You've heard of Hakka ever?
I don't have idea about Hakka, but I want to learn about that.
Yeah, of course. Actually, we're gonna practice the Taya tribe here.
Okay.
Because you're Aboriginal tribe, right? So I have to let you experience our also Aboriginal culture first. And then we'll integrate Aboriginal and Hakka.
Yes.
So you'll find out what you'll
Okay. Yeah, I'm
you'll see.
very excited about it.
Yeah. So you can see this is like the patterns we have for our Aboriginal tribe.
Yes. In our weaving, we have also that kind of patterns. They call that mata-mata, which the eyes. Yeah.
Oh.
So, but in Kalinga, yeah, this kind. Yeah, we have this very existing in our patterns.
我哋等下去拜訪了個阿婆嘅時間，就會知那個腔用老母腔用在哪裡。
I thought she was very shy， 有一點怯生生嘅感覺。我從來就說第一天唔可以按用，就是這幾天我一定要把它那一面帶出來。然後 ，you know，actually 你第一拜碰到一個人，要很快拉近距離，這應該不能錄，就是 Hey good morning，how are you doing？ 然後那把吉就燒了，然後就想說啊，他又慢慢的打開，一直慢慢打開，然後就這樣感覺，就是有沒有把一個人嘅那個內在打開來，就是這樣打開來又可以接受到更多的事情。
They let me feel that way, how I am free and I am welcome.
你好。
你好。嗨。穆萨苏伊努，你要去哪里？
Hello.
Wait. I just find out one thing. You said how you greet each other. You said you ask where he's going, right?
Yeah.
They just said the same thing. Wow.
穆萨苏伊努。
Maayam.
Maayam. 穆萨西。Mateo Kegi。我要去弄竹马。
那你带我们去。
好，我带你们去，刚好我要去那边。
一起去。
一起去。
那带我们去看竹马。
看竹马，我现在准备要去种竹马。
Okay, yes.
一起我要。
Yes. I want to see
东西。
那你给我们，我们也要东西。好，那
我们两个一起去拿东西，去拿竹马。
What is latong? What is latong? Hey, what is latong?
不是latong。
latong 是什么？
我说我们去看竹马。
Oh, like we go to see the plant.
Okay, because latong for us is plants.
然后我去那边工作，我带你们去看。
That's very. Yeah, wow.
完全不 ，They don't need me.
哎哇哦！
哇，哪一个是竹马？
这里很多。
这个是竹马。
我以为给那个双。
So this is the they call it. I googled it and it says like Chinese silk plant.
这个竹马还没有成熟，没有办法弄。成熟的时候会从这边干到尾巴，
所以是用干的做。
成熟的时候我们才能
采收，晒干吗？
不能晒干，要搓啊。因为你看它这个，你看这很硬哦，你看所以它就会这样，不是竹马就会断掉。你看这个，这个还没有成熟，所以你拿这个去照相啊，这个照相啊。
Okay, yeah. The mother, she welcomed us so much love, I think, and she's very open, and I feel at home.
这个有哈。
这个就是雪莲哦。
这个就是雪莲。
怎么长得这么像地瓜？
就是这地瓜，你看。这个本来是很大，这个很大啦，你看，这个，它的那个这个要种的，它的种子，这个好像生姜，可是不太一样。
对啊，长得很像姜哎。
对，那这个很好哦。
这要怎么吃啊？
这个那个 下霜吃掉了，可是还很甜呢。
哦，she said it's the frost。你让我
好
们，
重啊！
阿姨你让她试。It's okay, I like her。
你这很好吃，很甜。
雪莲就只要这样吃，不用煮吗？
不用煮，可是
难怪猪一直来吃。
对啊，
Sweet.
你看
I thought
这
it's
个
kamote, no, but it's different.
琼乃的是那个天山雪莲从土里面出来。V马该在都市里面的时候一定要洗，可是阿秋妈妈，然后就做的是，即便有土还是照吃。哎，其实有一点点害怕，所以我想说，我只有一次机会，还是试了吧。
Being Aboriginal, the First Nation or indigenous people really have common rituals or culture that we share, even in our everyday living.
给看到每一个植物，你就会想干够，可是它很像看到气嘎嘅木卡，因为记住哦，两个都在吃，两个中午在吃，然后什么什么，然后记住个老那个阿秋妈妈用啥？你虽然语言不同，你讲你就给看到两个记住会很直觉的，我觉得这是他很本能的一个他的生活。
我的家乡在哪路啊？我的家乡在新竹县白兰部落。从前的时候是一家人，现在还是一家人。
那就会想讲，一个人啊，你都活到70、80岁，那像我的安永，你一路这样长大，10岁、20岁，你都一路10岁跟你是很纯真的，然后你一定会慢慢社会化。可是比马该一个都会安泰给你给杭州的眼睛是这么干净的，然后再看这个世界，就是感觉这个人很美。等像黑给看世界的角度，还有待人的讽刺，没清真诚。
这都是那个我们泰雅族的图腾啊，有祖灵的眼睛啊，这里啊，这里啊，不管什么颜色，反正他们弄这样子，一粒一粒就是祖灵的眼睛。
Oh, maybe we can see more of her pattern if we have the same patterns.
Yeah,
it's very near. What do you think they're getting their inspiration? Because in our weaving, we always, I'm telling you, our inspiration is all from our nature.
也是差不多，
也是，对啊，
织布也是一定要想到泰雅族的祖先、祖灵这样。
It doesn't look like 天山雪莲 at all, but let's try it.
大家吃雪莲哦，多吃一点啊。你怎么那么小？
它已经咬进去了。It tastes like pear.
好像水梨一样。气氛是比较脆。
你旁边放那个是什么？
这个用这个咖喱。
哦，我们调它弄的猪麻。
猪麻。
好，你试给我们看好不好？
这样嘿，要这样弄嘿。
现在这个步骤是要干嘛？
就是要这个是竹麻，我们要搓，要做那个线。
哦，把它刮出来。
哎，安妞，
你还看过他的眼睛在 observe 那个阿秋婆婆替拜在示范一个世界，他很想要看出泰雅的织布，老记掉的织布用嘛该冇强用。
这个不能弄很粗呢，这样要这样弄线，然后在尾巴不过的时候，细的话就要加一点，太
细了就要加一点，把它接起来，让它可以
差不多粗。你看，
用卷的，
我的说这样，老人家就这样啊。
The weaving, it's very similar because they do it in a very simple way, which is I can also adapt. I never feel tired because of what I'm seeing. Yeah, and it's really inspired me a lot.
Woodwork.
Yeah.
好，
Wow.
你准备好了吗
So you're ready?
？OK，
好，我现在要打开喽。
好，怎么？哎，好像很隆重哦。这个是你织多久的？哦，要往全身都要用到哦。
对呀。
You have to use your whole body for
Of
making
course,
this.
yes.
Of course, like
Yes,
you
of
tried
course.
it.
Of course, I'm a weaver.
You also do it this way.
It's the same, very
Oh.
the same, but we have for warping, it's very different. But I find this very practical because the space. Yeah, it's very similar.
What is the difference between your
Yeah,
tools?
for us it's the same. This is the same.
This is the same.
This is the same. Yeah, this is also the same.
对呀，你看这个是菱形的那个主人的眼睛呢，也是他们也一样啊。
Yes.
对。我感觉我们是亲自己用的经验，直到给了那个固定的东西放在后面，然后开始哇。
I'll be Taya for now.
Yeah， 他现在是泰雅族了。
对，他也做了。
Yeah, you miss those. Oh, it's okay.
哎，可以，没跟小孩子做点有。
我马该都唔会织东西。I hope I learned something like about
We
weaving.
used to do that.
Do
So
what?
It's like that. So see, it's easy.
这个
Yeah,
Can I
it's
try
still
the
yes.
哦，
You miss.
好像面线哦，你看。
没关系，没关系。
Yeah, we will see. Wait. I will see later.
然后我就感觉啊，他终于有一个 moment 是，他习惯，可能一开始来到台湾，然后可能请会讲两个不熟悉，我觉得不熟悉是一个人的应该是本能吧，你一定会害怕。不过我就看到还有看到两个，就想到啊，我们嘿用两个器具来做很像，你就会抵他又卸下来了，因为看到熟悉的东西。我现在要闹他，因为我知道织布讲话很难，对不对 ？So
Okay.
when did you arrive last night?
It's 11. No. It's 1. It's supposedly 12.
She's distracting us.
Yeah, it's supposedly 12. So they have this delay. I don't know why.
What do you
I'm not listening.
What do you
because-
think of her? Like, is
Yeah,
she?
she's very warm actually. It's like I miss my mother already.
You miss your mother already?
So I feel
你让她想到她妈妈了呢。
是，你现在想这个，不要想妈妈，妈妈跟这个。
我要故意闹她。
啊
我跟她说，我知道刚刚在做线的时候，我知道要卷那个又要讲话，哦，很难，对不对？See.
when I'm doing the weaving, it's like no difference of you as a baby in Taiwan and I am a Filipino, as if we are very, very close to each other. It's always the connection that makes. You know, it brings me the connection back with my ancestors also. We have similar patterns. Actually, we have. But she was surprised with the patterns we have also in Kalinga, but I'm sure she can do it. Wow.
You see this river right now? It's called Senyolanshi and it's Nantou. I personally would put it like a lot of disasters happen here.
Yeah.
And so every time you come here, you see these rocks,
Yeah.
like they're huge rocks. It's actually downstreams right now. But they belong to upstreams, but they're here. So
Oh, wow.
picture how
Yeah.
terrible there was
Of
like
course.
mudslides.
Yeah.
We can see like those. We actually
remember like when we parked the car, we heard like stones coming down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really horrible.
It's always it's a human fault, I think, because we're not taking good care of an environment. Yeah.
看到太子岩促送暗洋葱，深度好又動動嘅唔判斷。Taking action to protect our planet。我哋我去拜訪採體種梅嘅牛兒，看見用嘅種梅要保護環境。
那个就是吗？
对。Wow, amazing.
But it looks really
Wow.
normal, right? Just like
Yeah.
random tree. 看起来很像长在路边的。你在干嘛？
我
哦，
清代梅花
The blooms. Okay, then that is the time when we
在梅
get.
花一讲，
好，唔够来点来摘梅子好，反正这样怎么摘也没有花啊，对不对？
对，已经结束了。
对啊
嘿嘿。
那你刚来到那一个做的
掠种得掠撇晒，
两配啥？
面晒，
Okay.
那两名吗？
个送去他。
你带来有你
好。
Ah, wow.
梅子树唔会上香菇诶，
唔係啦，要挨看，喺間過嗰就留部機下來，就唔會按過。
哦，
係，以前吼就留到青果，掠下嘅吼。
如果留到青菇，你要長多啊。
用大，
阿姨，你嘛家俩各位有这个钩子啊？
佢都喺吊電吼，等佢摘會，唔是不用進來啦，係啊，
啊，按鈕，
係啊。
然後直接噠，
係啊，喺北上街書嘅方吼，就要吊電較好啊。
哦，I understand now.
Oh my, this is paradise.
This is paradise.
Yes. See how rich you are.
Oh, there are mine. 这里的都可以摘吗？
Yeah. So how do you just
佢喺做隻咧，
没有什么特別的技巧吧？
唔是啊，就做隻。
Let's finish this whole place, right?
Yeah. Oh,
我看到佢在那个某一个时间，我就会说，佢一听在佢嘅副卡，他真的就是太熟悉这两条嘅东西耶。你就看到佢然后佢很多的 share 他做什么其他事情嘅时间嘅，就是的 ideas， but 我就在想他的生活可能来到台湾对佢来讲，没係一个很大的刺激，因为他先来到台湾，然后这么多的某空用的东西，他又可以有另外一种比较回归最原始状态的感觉。
yeah. I'm telling Sharon that. You are very, I think, blessed because there are a lot of things here that are taking care of the children, their generation. They are more be responsible because of these things.
那它的程序有嘛改啊？
要不用养，然后好就不用养黑啊。
好，
那个叫做杀青，因为它现在你看它是这个颜色，嘿，等一下要把它搓到变成另外一个颜色，会弄清久，
会弄多久啊
？15分啦。
？15分。
嘿，
哦，这样。
来老唔讲吼，你就加入这个水吼，
哦。
可以减掉5分钟。
那再多可以再点吗？
没有办法。
I feel always lucky that the first time you show that how it works with the fruits also. And it's so amazing that it's very simple that how they change their color. It's very inspired me that why not a human being should also change into very colorful way. We always, after school for the kids, we always make a point that we go home for a summer, and that's the time I'm working with the weavers.
Yeah.
Because it's their time also from working. They are off to the field, then they began to weave.
Yeah.
And that's the time that I believe that I think that's the time they also they are rich in more thinking of the colors also.
那点拼凑跟时间都被太多东西占据了，你的生活没有想象的空间吗？两个时间，我张替白糖豆两个想法，他有3个小孩子，鼓手作为一个全职给阿妹，你有太多的东西要照顾，那你自己呢？所以鼓手给就讲啊，他都是把自己的灵感先放在这里，然后 summertime 他都得转去那个他们部落，然后他就可以开始 weave， 所以他平常其实是在累积，而且有个时间你想象的东西跟你出来那一段时间，他可能因为有某种用的想法出来，可能最后看到的成品会是你可能会看到你人生不同阶段，然后你脑袋里装的东西，你出了一个，它可能会有一个时间摆在那里，都得不你看到哎。
Very interesting when we go to because the lemongrass, the smell is very, very abundant, and it's very warming, and it keeps me more alive. My memory went back to when I was a kid.
That part, Anna?
Yes. Oh,
You know, he jumped, so you have to jump.
it's awesome.
给替白在桶子里面跳上跳下跟时间，黑矮，我第一次看到他的最热情的那一面，来就说啊 ，This is her， 因为他一直跳，他说啊 ，I'm so happy, I'm so happy 。
Because my grandfather has this kogon, but it's just a different kind. That when they harvest, they do it for the same. They do the drying. And we harvest it because they doing that for roofing for our traditional houses, and it's give me more good feeling about it.
We should try.
You put the other one
再
here.
一个呀，两边啦，哎，就按球啊容易哈。
我给试试看。
好，来，哦，开始，
deeper,
哦，做的，
哦
开松了，来，嘿嘿，呀，
Oh,
Hey, one more stack.
No.
Okay, my turn.
I might have a stiff neck.
Oh, I'll choke that one.
不出力，
One more.
好多的，开松了，哎，
等一下。
Yeah.
How do you?
一个死
You turn.
上来，
You turn this.
哎，
It's going there.
It's going where? I beg your pardon. Wait.
绕过去，哎，
There. I
你要拉头一点，这样才有办法。
Yeah.
I'm not giving up.
Okay.
小心旁边的人要小心，容易刮到。要从肩膀过去，
Yes.
哎，对，哎，对，
哎，我开始站不太住了。
可以，对，
嘿，
再用力。
嘿，
哎，可以，
Yay.
哎，可以吧？
Yay.
啊，
You
对，
did it.
是这样拿吗？
啊，对，就这样敲回去的。
好啊，
对，
拜拜。我们走。
Wow.
We have to turn this way.
Okay.
No, but we have to walk straight from there. Huh? What is this? 这个
Yeah.
I like.
Oh, food. Okay. This is the pickles we talked about. Do you hear the rain?
Oh my God, this is very, very natural on how Taiwan people share their food with each other. Taiwan is very, very lucky or very fortunate to have those kind of healthy food.
泰嘎一吃拿东西本来就是的。I told everyone like everyone is offering. No, we have to travel so far away from Nantou to Miaoli. This is like an old district because I have to show you the cloth.
Wow, very colorful.
Yeah.
Wow. When I stepped on this shop, I was amazed with the colors. I've been waiting for this day because this is the one I'm looking for, and inspired me because it's so much color that my mind can't process it. So I think I'll put it in my eyes, so much color, and I can process it in my mind. So I have to put it in my heart, so I will know it by heart.
小嘉，你能来点介绍一下好不好？
因为台湾有最有名的烟筒表现出来哈卡达布哎，那新烟筒是以前是按烟筒制底的，那你看镂工厂的呢？
哦，this is like a very old factory.
加10年的以前阿婆写的哈，是拿来做太树趴，哦，要包拜拜神仙啦哈。
Who's making the design of this?
你啊從當橋哦，你啊無法度講。
哦，無法度講。
你啊只講當橋嘅傳統法布誒。
可能佢冇想到，那個客家法布係按用 like vibrant 的顏色。佢第一擺看到嘅時間，佢嘅木族又 bling， 哦，怎麼會這麼充滿了百花齊放？那個花放的樣子，跟他眼睛木族放的樣子係相擁嘅。
It's inspired me a lot to do with such more creation on my craft and my skills on designing, and I think it's also give me time and to think and to work on it. It's a very fruitful experience that I've seen this floral. I already had an idea of your they call it the floral of the Hakka. Yeah. Hakka, because I look at in the internet or Google. So I have the picture that they do it from your nature. I already have this color, but I'm very surprised because this is very colorful.
Yeah.
本 Irene 對法布有一定嘅了解過後，我哋來看人嘅對啊全世界縫製歷史中有一隻輕重又特別嘅顏料，到底係乜嘅咯？聽上來你就知。
Look at that! Oh, wow! That's the silk.
係啊，你又做咩買？
Do you know what this is?
No.
Imagine, it's very useful for your everyday life.
It's like a
a
foam.
blanket.
Yeah. Foam, yeah, it's a blanket. I'm sure
這個
it's
很暖
very
的。
warm.
阿爸，你可不可以懂小模啊？
冬暖夏涼。
我哋看到那個就是那個絲掛在那個很像那個棉花板嘅有時間，那個應該係佢第一擺看到按到嘅蠶絲。我覺得那個拍攝啊，對佢來講真的是很純潔，因為你剛抽絲起來，又是一個很原始的過程，沒有馬該加工，只是最天然的樣子。This is the first time cooking a blanket, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Try it.
boiling like that.
Yeah. Ooh.
You know why we're cooking this? Because when you boil it, the saliva can drive it out.
Okay.
不過又俾舊要當好。
不過假使你冇煮嘅話，那個膏
啱唔使啦。
所以骨頭那個被子就會硬硬的。
係啊。
Yeah, it's curiosity for me because this is my first time. I've seen silk textiles or fabrics, but I never see how the process, and I really want to see this how the process, and it's so I think it's awesome and I'm enjoying it.
二花線的變種，一天內餅糕當會出。
餅糕？
對，不然冷藏。
Why is that?
你講鵝卵不用這樣常溫啊，哈，生熱，就到餅上餅120度。
那為什麼要把它留那麼久，讓它出來？
那样有时候你种子太多，你一下没办法养啊，你要延长它的寿命啊。
替外看到哎呦军事养成的蚕宝宝哦，我觉得小时候的回忆都起来。然后俺在上东俺小的时候，俺爸明白，我都会吵着爸爸，哎，爸爸你可不可以带我去偷采人家的桑叶
？The father who's doing it, and I can say how very hard they doing this, how wonderful they do it, and how they put their heart on it. For me, that's the highest. How I can respect them for the craft they are doing. As I'm thinking that everything here is very organic. Yeah, when we smell even the lemon until the silk, this is very natural. So how nature works. Yeah. Oh, this beautiful place.
I thought it was great.
Yes.
But it's not. You know, so this place is Nantou, and it was like in 2000, in the year 2000, there was like a big earthquake, and I heard like they got their inspiration because of that earthquake. So that's why they wanted to bring back the sense of human nature.
Yes.
So weaving, the process before weaving is like dyeing, right?
Yes.
And there's this kind of dyeing, we call it Hakka Lanran, like indigo color.
Oh wow, indigo! Yeah, I love indigo.
You love indigo?
Yes.
So we should take a look at what they will teach us,
show me,
right?
Sharon. When I reached the place, it surprised me because it's the tie dyeing we had in the Philippines, but it's not 100% natural tie dyeing.
大概就会染给植物哦。
Yeah.
Oh, so
my,
this is the indigo material. 我刚才看起来一点都不 indigo 哎。
I know.
It doesn't look indigo at all, right?
Yes,
The leaf contains the indigo tint. That's
Indigotin.
the blue pigment.
So,
okay.
加水改这老给揉一揉会。
Yeah. But right now, because it's not the season,
Oh.
so we don't get enough
the
juice.
Yes.
I'm going to
It's green. Right now it's green, but after a while,
it will turn.
It will turn into blue.
大概全部都有它特别的颜色吗？
Look at this.
And there's ginger. You see,
This
there's
is actually
ginger.
turmeric.
Oh, turmeric.
Yeah,
Yes,
turmeric.
姜
turmeric.
黄。
Oh.
是
That's the ingredient of curry.
姜黄煮的染色，
哇哦
可是姜麻中的，黑吗？
I think not enough pigment.
Oh.
Yeah. It's changing.
Oh yeah, the color
真
is
挺耶！
It's
所以
changing.
时间越久，它就会越深，
Yeah.
黑吗？
Yeah.
那给尬斯奶等会染一条这样从来染一个色，这样
Then we
花
have
多久
for us it will take us about at least 1 week.
？1
but
week
then
for
to
one
finish
scarf.
this.
At least 1 week. But then we have to let it kind of like the color will mature, right?
yeah.
So we have to put into a dark room for 6 months before we can use it. Before we sell it.
Wow, that's long.
921那一年我在台湾，我本来是从西雅图回来，只是回来探亲啊。然后因为921地震，我们的大楼倒了，所以我从大楼爬下来的时候，就觉得上天把我留下来是有原因的。然后就在想说，那我能够做什么？那我就想说，那好，假设有一块土地在我手上，我能够守护着它。那就是我要做的事。
We're dying.
Yeah.
Dying to die.
This is the 月桂叶，黑吗？
Hey, what is that? Tao.
Yeah,
月桃
Tao.
So we kind of cut it.
从哪边？从
So we're going to use we're going to use the stem and the leaf.
leaves.
That's how that
okay,
stuff.
okay.
So here, want to try?
Yes, of
So
course.
let's
Wow.
Okay, and this is the flowers.
Wow. So it's quite very interesting, and it's giving more. It creates in my mind how I interact with my designing. How can I question my mind that how will I interact with this, and how can I put it in my work or in my design or in my craft?
切月岁应该是对等于它给做比较有可以加速嘛。
Right, just like a mom making the broth. Use the big bone, the batter to crush it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That way you save time, right? The energy to get the
Save the gas.
Yeah.
Yes,
But we are not using the gas today.
So what do we use?
We don't have gas here.
可能就是经历过这种921，那因为在南投是重灾区，就觉得说将来如果回去到那块土地上，就是可以做的是友善这块土地的事情，那怎么样去做对的事情。
So Karen， 你讲爱的俩给要等多久的时间？爱的跳下走给。
水滚30分钟才能出来。
好，爱的，
我们现在
爱的要等30分钟，不够这点动感通，然后爱的
这个已经等到了30分钟了，所以可以拿出来了。
我们用眼泪换30分钟。
You're crying.
I know.
这是茶梗。
What's this crying?
茶梗，马给个茶梗，红茶。
红玉红茶的茶梗。
古时候只有茶会煮300，
对，大茶我们会煮3次。
那其他的呢？
像月桃的话，叶子这一类我们大概都煮2次。哦，好，我们现在都会这样把它过滤出来，那尽量把水分舀出来。
那等一下就是马上
再加水，然后再煮第2次，然后所以我会把第1次、第2次、第3次的水混在一起，那才是可以染色。
煮的过程还有染的过程，你就想象你要待在一个房间，然后那个都是 smoke， 很辛苦的事情，你嘛该有人会做啊。爱人真言对每一件事情都看得太简单了。
It's very fruitful and it's very rich to me because after that I thought is it gonna stop here? And the two girls never mentioned it that we're going to this place and we're going to work for this. So it's also again the surprise for me, and it's making I'm making my own imagination. What are we going to do next?
That's one time. Second, the first time you press a little bit, and the second time just cover it.
总共会几百啊
2 times.
？2 times. Okay.
Then you lift up. So that's the pattern.
Wow! See?
All right. This is
Wow.
tongue flower.
你马该会用哪个啊？
This is wood dust.
你马该
这样子的话，它的那个可以减少水分的蒸发。我们在染色的时候可以顾这个糊料。No, not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
What is this then? 哦，你要把它扫掉。
对，你要先把它扫掉。
哎，
我会往中间扫。
按用中间的那个不会被你扫乱吗
？Sticky rice 就很厉害。
哇哦。
Alright.
OK。
可是它因为今天天气比较好，可是至少要半天到1天才会干。所以待会我们
那点用嘅就准备哦。
It's giving me a lot of inspiration also, and it's creating again in my mind. It inspired me, and it's already the passion is there, I think, for seeing those different color which is coming from the natural resources and materials, and yes. It's quite very interesting connection with working with her and Karen, and it's very touching because it's a lot of art of moving. The moving, it's there. It's like there's life actually in that village. Yeah, that's why I'm being attached with.
Wow. 会多久嘅时间啊
Okay, so we're gonna try 3 minutes. Actually, it would take about 4 rounds, and each round 3 times. Each time 3 minutes.
Like after making this one, when you return either to Philippines or the studio, how do you think you'll integrate your experiences?
When I go back home, yeah, I will, of course, because some of the tribe are doing this, like in Ifugao, in my husband's place. So, but they are looking for indigo. They want to do indigo. So I can tell because I think the plant is actually grow in the Philippines. So I should tell. Yes, I will share to them. Yes.
又是一个累积耶，时间的累积，精力的累积。伊家是某是按斗拜，伊们唔敌。原来要染到眼的看起来好像青酱给蓝染， 他也不会知道要这么辛苦啊，所以他也是从经验中安永一直学习了一个。
是当以来，因是哪里的爱，东爱是当以来，因是哪里的爱，沙里的爱。I can say Mother Krisha talks a lot about nature, and it's very inspiring. Her words, her language, and it's inspired me a lot because way back home it's very similar. The connection is there, and actually when she showed up the material she's using in the tie dyeing, I remember my father he's creating or he's working on this fruit that with his group, the cultural group, and he's applying them. They use it for their makeup, and it's very beautiful. The color, it's very intense and brilliant. So it's always go back in my mind, in my memories, in my childhood. The colors, that's the inspiration that I'm putting in my craft. It's always it's the memories also. She mentioned also that we really have to learn from nature. We have to give a favor for nature because the nature giving us more life, I think, more production, the food we eat, the air we breathing, everything that the nature is providing us. We should also give back our love, and we have to cherish the nature.
Irene, come out, please, Irene. Don't do this to me 啦！你看他马该都离婚永远说，然后给气嘎就在田里面，然后自己很开心，以为他又说很像回到家。Irene, come out!
Sharon! But in the field, it's very different. The feeling is different because honestly, I don't know. You know, I thought we were gonna get a frog because I saw the picture that the frog paradise. You've seen that? I thought we were gonna catch frog, and I never did that in my whole life.
Irene!
I'm here, Sharon.
Irene!
Yeah, Sharon.
I miss you.
Hey, you're here.
Help me.
Yes, come.
小甜甜，
哎，
我们来你的田里到底要干嘛呢？
啊，你不是要来拔茭白笋，还是要割茭白笋呢？
对呀，
还是要跟美人有一腿啊？
要跟美人有一腿。
This is awesome.
那你下来，你刚才就用来割两个茭白笋，好不好？
好 ，OK。
好啊。小甜甜，你用来看两个茭白笋后，哪一个都得收成的呀？
哦，这个茭白笋要经过120天之后哈，它才会长出一个那个茭白笋。
120天一根。
对。
按用看不出来到底哪一个是。
哦，我们要怎么找呢？所以我们要先跟它有一腿，就是要摸它。先触摸它的茎部。
好。
茎部这个地方哈，我们刀子要放了45度角。好，这样子。啊，轻轻的、微微的把它拉起来。好，这样子就是一只茭白笋。
So you're opening the legs.
到最后的时候，这个壳是做纸浆，朝这边。
好，来。How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah.
Is it nice?
啊，公平哈。
That's good.
Good 啊。我把这给你讲。我来吹黑。
哦，很甜嫩。This is very sweet.
I am a very traditional person, and I belong to this nature also. I can say that because I live in a village which is very similar here. So even though I did not do it at home, it's like by heart I know it.
要抓住底部是不是？
不是，先触摸它，跟它有一腿，跟你的男朋友有一腿，
哦，
对不对？
It's my boyfriend.
你看这个就是细细的筋，
有摸到这个。
好，有没有？
好。
我们刀子要放的地方就是在那个地方啊，你左手这样子，扶着在上面，右手刀子放着，好，45度。
也是直接割起来，对不对？
对，用力，哇！
但有浪费。
小宁，你一刀两命，把我的小老婆不小心把它割掉了。你看， 我的心都很快乐，
He said
不是在电影院。
I killed his like both of his wives. Oh no! 你看，俺都大宋的暗斗。
按照
Your turn.
Okay. The same here? Same.
哪一个走得
这里。来，你的左手给我，
So I should get the roots.
Yes, yes.
左手扶着，刀子，45度角。OK。
Can you?
哦
Sorry.
That's two.
，Sorry。
哦，你看米跟你都会先失败，黑吗？他几枚黑老那个一大堆的笋子切掉了。
哎，对，没关系。
Why is it like it's easy to
哦，
fail?
你割到他的屁股。
And one thing I think is being a very traditional person is we have this connection, I think. And one memory also I want to mention it. I saw snails. I saw an egg, and Sharon told me then it's probably in my mind that in our place in Kalinga, in my village, our village, I think we have this snail that we call it Taiwan. So I remember maybe somebody brought it there, and it's really a connection because I told them that we have, yes, you made me remember it, Sharon, because we have this snail. It's like a medicine. It's medicine for them, but though it will destroy our plants, but they will gather them and we cook it, and it make us sleeping pills, to say that sleeping pills, because they made us sleepy, really.
根本应该感觉黑矮的眼神，低度剃白手指跟脚趾都这么脏。唔讲眼清佛意。I feel like every step I'm stepping, I'm cracking something. 可是你唔会底下是什么啊？唔讲对应该人就是两个死推嘅声音来讲，可能就会清口告。唔讲，可是对小甜甜来讲，她毕竟她以前也是在都市，然后就是因为我们踩下去的这个感觉，才让她回来的。
With all these activities. Oh, you say a lot of at homes. Which part was the most?
Yes, and everything is always a surprise for me.
Like
And
when
it's,
you are blank, you can get filled in with whatever comes.
Yeah, and I love it because, or I appreciated it because it's, I think if it's you don't expect anything, you know. It's always a surprise, and it just makes me more inspired, or it makes there is it's like a challenge for me. So this is in Kalinga we call this pulin pulilaw. Pulin pulilaw means it's bamboo. The inspiration came from the bamboo itself. How the Kalinga people weave their walls and they make it in their houses. So the weavers were inspired by this, and so they transpose it into weaving. You can see the color, it's very, very strong, and make more contemporary art on the weaving. So I switched to, or I changed colors into a brighter color. I saw in the Aborigines weaving, they have this design, we have the same patterns also. This is also the color of the sun. The brown, it's from the soil, everything is from nature. I'm very grateful to come here in your place, and I'm sure I will learn a lot from your place, and I hope also you will learn also from me. I will share my talents, I will share my creativity, I will share my passion. You welcome me, and I will welcome Taiwan in my heart. And I'm sure I'll come back and meet you again.
它反而比较像是一双眼睛，告诉我要去看、品从看不到的东西。
You are so kind. You are so kind and no need to in the camera. It's you inspired me a lot to continue my craft, and I hope we will meet in Baguio or in somewhere in the Philippines, and you're always welcome to see me and my family. You stay with us, and thank you, Sheshe, and hope to meet you again while I'm here. Hope, please visit me because I'll be missing you, and thank you again.